Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, and you know that I'm back with another haul because what do I love just as much as crafting? Shopping for crafty supplies. Do I shop more than I craft? Maybe sometimes, but it is what it is. And this is a judgment-free zone. I like watching haul videos, so I hope that you guys do too. But I wanted to share with you some new items from the Bullseye Dollar Spot and some stuff that I was looking for and hadn't found yet, but I finally found. So we are going to start off with some Valentine's Day stuff. I found these baskets. They were $3 each. I just got two of the red. I am in like a Valentine loaded tote swap, so I think that these would be very good. Yes, I could make a paper one, but these will hold so much more stuff, and won't crush. I love the paper totes. They just, I don't know. I put them on a shelf like when I get them to look at, but they're just not super functionable. But I don't mind getting these type of totes because they're easy to re-gift. They're easy just to put art supplies in, craft supplies, and haul it around if you want. I don't know. They're just super cute. And $3. There was a green one too, and I don't know what the green one was. Maybe an avocado? I don't know, but it was very green. So I didn't see any pink. I only seen red, and I only had two. So technically, I take that back. There was three, but one was loaded with glitter. Like it was just thrown in one of the bottom like shelves that must have had glitter or something in there, and it was stuck everywhere. Could I have cleaned it? Probably, but I didn't. I didn't want to. I didn't want to deal with it, so I just got the two. Next, I found these little the measuring spoons. I feel like they were $3 last time I looked at them. I know that I got some gingerbread ones. Were they $5? I don't know, but these ones say $5. So I feel like these might have gone up in price. But I wanted to look at them because they look like little cakes with a cherry on top, and I think that is like the sweetest thing ever. I have a weird obsession with cherries, so you get the cherry half teaspoon, and then that one has a cherry with frosting on the side, and that one has a cherry as well. How cute are those? Those are so stinking adorable. I love them. I found they had multiple little notepads, but this one says public library, so I was like, ooh, I need that. I want to look at it because I want to say that I'll probably use these for like, I'm not 100% sure, but I really like it, and it's a notepad, and I have notepads all over, so I'll probably keep like half, and I'll probably put half in my junk journal drawer. I have like one that has like this type of stuff. This would be cute for like if you are a journaler, a planner, or you do a December daily or an October daily, and you include like your monthly reads for that month. This would be cute to put in there, and you could put all the titles that you read and when you read them. I'm not quite sure, but I think this is really cute, and I feel like I might have to go back and get more. I wanted to look at it first. They are not sticky, so they're just literally, it's pretty thin paper, but you could back this on cardstock if you really wanted to. But I really like this. I think it's really cute. I did also get a bookmark. I think it's in a different bag. It's not in this bag. That's a library card. So they do have some bookish stuff out. I haven't seen too much of it, but I did find a couple things. They have these gorgeous picture frames. Look at this bow one. It's so cute and coquettish. They are $5. They do have like a best friends one, and then maybe a Valentine's Day one. I'm not quite sure, but I got bows. Everybody's loving bows. It is like the season and the year of the bow. So I got this. I don't know if I'm going to keep it for myself or if I'm going to gift it. I'm not quite sure. And last in this bag is this cake stand. They only had white. Like, I don't know if these are going to come in different colors. Like, she was just putting stuff out, and she was really annoyed with me because I was like looking at stuff that she was just putting out. I was like, girl, if I don't grab it now, it's going to be gone when I go, next time I go back. So I don't know if there'll be more colors of these, but it's just little white plastic hearts, and you get the the red heart stand on the inside. They were $5. But these are really cute. And I only got one because I wanted to like I'll probably keep this one for myself, put it together, see if I really like it, if it's worth it. And I might grab a couple more because these could be cute for a Valentine's swap if you need a gift. But I think I'm going to put mine together and put it on my desk and just keep like the ephemera that I'm working on or whatever little holiday Valentine stuff that I'm working on my desk, and it will still have like a spot without it being in my way. Instead of like the trays that I usually use, I thought that this could be just cute, and it'll be cute in my room as decor as well. So super happy with that. I think it's a good $5 find. If I do see more, I probably will grab them. I'm hoping that they would come in another color. Like if these were pink, I feel like everybody would be all over that. Or even if like instead of a heart, there was a bow, everybody would be all over that. So I don't know if there's more of these. If there is, if you've seen different ones, let me know so I can keep my eye out for them. But I will be grabbing more of these if I see them because I think that they will be great gifts. They also have new Valentine's shred. They're only $1. I just picked up one red and one pink. I like to mix shred, like all different types because everybody's type is slightly different. Like I really like when the Dollar Tree comes out with like little bits of metallic ones in there, but I like to they have different textures of paper that they use, and I like to mix it all up. I don't know. I'm just weird. I have a whole closet full of different colored shred. So now I have a new pink and a new red for $1. They're a great buy. And then these. I'm obsessed with these. So they are little baskets. Look how stinking cute they are. They are $3. I grabbed all the pink they had and I grabbed 2 of the red ones. This is what the red looks like. I really like them. They remind me of like the little Target, shopping bags or shopping baskets, whatever you want to call them. But I feel like I could use these all the time. They're going to hold stuff in there quite a bit. I mean, are they super shipper friendly? No, but I feel like you could put quite a bit of things in here. And, I think it would just make a cute little Happy Mail, Valentines, whatever you want to put in here. I think it will be cute. Again, I grabbed all the pink they had because I feel like I'm just going to put these in my stash and I can pull them out whenever. I feel like, especially the pink can be any holiday. Everybody likes hearts. Everybody likes pink. So pink it was. I grabbed 2 of the red ones because I do like the red ones. I think the red ones are so stinking cute, but these definitely scream a little bit more Valentine's Day than the pink does. But yeah, these are going to go in my stash. Did I need them? No. Did I spend way too much in the dollar spot because I got all of these? Yes. But I think it was worth it. I was finally able to find the bow wrapping paper, so I picked up the 2 that they had left. They had one more of the candy stripes, so I picked these up. I do like this size. It's not too wide. So these are definitely going to go in my stash. But the bows, I can use these for anything. So I really like that they had the bows. Like bows and hearts, I feel like can be used any time of the year. They don't distinctly say Christmas or Valentine's Day. And then the pink and red stripe is just so cute. So those will go in my stash. I found these gift boxes. They were $1 a piece, which I mean aren't amazing, but look, they're so cute. Myself and Lisa, leave it to Lisa, we both like houses. Why? I don't know. Like it's just a weird little obsession. It's the little houses. They only had one of these, but look at these little gingerbread ones. I think they're so cute. You could outline these with puffy paint or Nouveau drops or sickles, anything like that to give them more dimension if you really wanted to. But I just thought they were cute. I really like the bow. Oh my, cute. I don't know if I'll use them in paper crafts. It'll probably be next year. Or if I'll use them just as regular gift giving. I don't know, but they're really cute. I found some tissue paper. I feel like the last year's tissue paper was so much cuter. Again, I don't know if what the other packs looked like, but I do like the green tree. This blue is throwing me off a little bit. But the packs last year were so stinking cute, and these are only $1, so why not? You can never have too much tissue paper, right? Oh, here is the library card bookmark that I found. I wish that I had found like this book stuff before I sent out, like I just did a book swap for my book club, and I mailed mine out early so she would have it, you know, at the beginning of December because it was an Advent calendar book. But I wish they had this stuff out beforehand because these would be great. There's like a little bit of like a smudge on this one, but I bought 2 of them, so I have one for next year to gift. And I'll probably go back and try to find more of these because I think that they're really cute. They did have big metal bow ones, like just gold bows, but they were really on the large side, and I thought that this was cuter, and these were $3. I found another pack of spoons, and I already broke into it and took a Christmas tree for a swap. I had found the snowflakes, or were they stars? I don't remember if they were snowflakes or stars. But again, I love putting, like, anytime they come out, they're $3. So it's less than $1 a spoon. I grab them up and put them in my stash. I have all different types. They're usually in with the tea stuff. I had somebody ask me where I found the spoons. They're in the bullseye area, and they're usually with like other tea inspired things. But I really like to include these in with my sequin mixes, or if it is a tea swap or a hot cocoa swap, I'll put in one of these spoons. I just think that they're so cute, and I'm glad that I have some like Christmassy ones. I think the other ones were stars, so they didn't really read Christmas. They read more, you know, just a star, which could be any time of the year. So yes, I've already broken into the Christmas trees. And then last but not least, I found some pom-poms. In my last Target haul, I was able to find the bows, but this time I was able to find some pom-poms. Are they amazing? No, they're just $1, but the color scheme is there. It's really cute. I know a lot of people didn't see these, and I was surprised that I was able to find these. So I'm happy with what I found so far. I think I've seen a video with other Valentine's stuff that they're getting, and some of the stuff is so cute. She was just kind of putting it out, and she was very annoyed with me. So I might have to go back. I don't know if I really want to go to Target like the day after Christmas. That might be too much for me, too people-y. But at the same time, I don't want to really miss out on stuff, so I might. Maybe if I go early and I go like early, like right when they open, it won't be so bad. But I don't want to miss out on that stuff because you never know with Bullseye Spot. Like sometimes they'll put like they'll load up and they'll have everything out, and sometimes they'll put out like, you know, just a couple racks at a time. But once it's gone, and it's hard to find. They did have the little heart boxes that they had last year. I had gotten some with the little latch. They're kind of like a hat box, but they're hearts. This year they have like a cake looking one that has a cherry on the top, which I know, surprised that I didn't grab that one. They had a white one. They had like some gold like hearts and like filigree. And then the cake one was pink. And then there is a red one. I don't remember what the red one said. But she was just kind of putting them out, and a lot of the like all of the cherry ones that I did see out were very kind of scuffed and not perfect, and they are $5. So I was like, I just passed on them. I was like, I don't know if I want them. I need to pull out all of my Valentine stash because I'm pretty sure I have a couple from last year that I could use anyway if I really wanted to. But anyway, that is my haul. I hope that you guys have a great look out there, you know, finding stuff. And if there's other things out there that I have not seen or other colorways, let me know because, you know, sharing is caring. So if I find new stuff, I will definitely share what I can. So happy hunting, guys. Bye.